Visa hopes were dashed for a woman as she was fined for a fake job letter. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. I'm Rastafari Soldier here on TV. Thank you for tuning into the Rastaman channel. Ha ha! That one ya funny, a corporate area woman whose chances of getting a United States visa went up in smoke as she was fined $130,000, for presenting the embassy in Kingston with a fake job letter. The defendant is Cristal Phillips, pled guilty to forgery conspiracy uttering forged document. When she would appear before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Thursday, the court heard that a job letter was falsely written as the statement of Philip was registered as a nurse at a nursing home with the corporate area. Your Honor, I was referred by a friend to a immigration agent, but I never knew that I was a fraud business. I worked at the Golden Age home, but not in the capacity they put on the letter. Phillips shared, adding that she became aware of the incorrect information after attending the embassy for her interview. Senior Parish Judge Laurie Ann Coleman TQ was emphasized and emphatic with Phillips and expressed that view that she was becoming a common explanation by defendant that they are receiving fake documents for the immigration agents. Philip was fined $70,000 or 9 months in prison for the charge of forgery, and for uttering forged documents, she was fined $60,000 or 6 months in prison. On the court floor, the conspiracy charge, the judge made Philip the subject of a probation order for 18 months. I have to ensure that the international security standards are upheld. This happened to be embarrassing for the country. You cannot go to the embassy with fake documents, she replied. You realize how difficult it is for people to go to the embassy and get a visa? There is no way, in good conscience, I could not have this conviction recorded against you, said Cole Montague. So now the chance of the visa is gone, as I'm making you the subject of fingerprint order. Hush, the judge said after imposing the sentence. Ladies and gentlemen, can you believe this? She had hopes of going to the country, abroad, but it appears that the letter that she was given for a job that she previously had was fake, and the judge found out and dealt her to the stake. Her whole idea of going to foreign now is barren. A woman has been fined for $130,000 for a fake job letter because she wants a visa to go to the United States of America. Subscribe, like, and share. You should not run left yard. You should not run left yard. And you shouldn't go up at the embassy with no letter where you know see a fraud. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Hit that red subscribe button. I'm more life, I'm more joy, and I'm more
Man, I Deep Roots, man. Yeah. All junker there. Fly them sitting here, fly. Yeah.
Tune into Deep Roots TV. Log in, subscribe, online, YouTube. Get there or be square. Jacob said that.